Good morning everyone and welcome in Data Communication and Networking 1 under Miss Marida Liwanag. So for today's video, we will be doing laboratory exercise number 5. So the first procedure is open our Cisco Packet Tracer. And then we have to drag 3 PC on the platform. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 switches. 1, 2. Any switches will do. And then 4 server. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to connect PC0, PC1, and PC2 to switch 0 by the use of copper straight through. I'm a little bit confident, you know why? Because I think I practiced doing this like 10 times already. So that my video will be a little bit fast. Because I noticed some of my videos are very slow. It will take a long time also in uploading in YouTube. Okay. And then the instruction said that I have to change the name of the PC into PC0 into dynamic. This one also needs to be changed into dynamic. So we will have 2 dynamic PC and 1 static PC. Static. Okay. So in static PC, we have to configure its IP address into 172.16.0.90. Okay, done. Then PC0 and PC1 are labeled as dynamic. It means there will be no configurations on their IPs. Number 5, make sure that the packet tracer is in real-time mode. Number 6, configure the DHCP server. So this one, we have to change into DHCP server. Okay, done. Then, change its global settings by setting the gateway to 172.16.01. Gateway. Okay. Then, configure its fast Ethernet by setting the IP address to 172.16.0.10. Excuse me. Then set the HTTP service and HTTPS service off. Off. Then set the DHCP service default gateway to 172 to 172.16.01. We have to turn this one on. Paste. Then the DNS. Then the IP address. Okay. Set the DNS service and the emails SMTP and POP3 service to off. DNS. Off. 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 So we're done with the first server. We go into the second server. We need to name it as DNS server. Like the first server, we have to configure its gateway. Okay. Also the fast Ethernet. Then set the HTTP service and HTTPS service off. 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 Set the DHCP server service to off. Off already. Then set the DNS servers service on. Enter the domain name, let's say for example www.amas.edu. And its IP address. Then click add. Set the email SMTP and POP3 service to off. 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 Check the two. Add another domain name, example www.internal.com. And the IP address is 172.16.0.30. Oh wait. Where is that? Here. It's supposed to be here. And the IP address is 172.30. Paste. Then click add. After that, set the email SMTP and POP3 service off. Off. Check the two dynamic PCs. If the DHCP is successful, it means each PC was able to get an IP address from the server. So let's check. Let's close this one. Okay. For us to be able to check that, we need to get this one. Copy. Copy. Then paste in the URL. Ah, what are we doing? I forgot. This is how we check this one. Where's that? For us to check if the DHCP is successful, we open the IP configuration, and then from static, we need to click the DHCP. And then it will appear here that the DHCP request is successful. Let's try in PC2. So from static, we click DHCP, and it will appear DHCP request is successful. Okay. So number 8, configure the web server. So we need to configure another web server, and we have to name it web server www.amas.edu. So I chose this one, web server www.amas.edu. Okay. Set the gateway to 172.16.01. So let's just copy that one. Configuration, gateway, paste. After that, configure the fast Ethernet by setting the IP address to 172.16.0.20. Copy. The subnet mask is autofilled. Set the HTTP and HTTP service on. On. It's both on. On. Okay. Then change the sentence HR welcome to AMA Online Education System, and then I can add my own statement. Okay, let's do it. So we have to edit this one. So my own statement will be the future is in our hands. Okay, then click save. Set the DHCP server service off. It's off. Set the DNS off also. Set the DNS service and the email SMTP and POP3 off. Off. Check the output of the web server on the end device web browser. Okay. So we have to copy this for us to be able to check it. Copy. Let's go this PC. Then let's check in web browser. See, welcome to AMA Online Education System. The future is in our hands. In our hands. So, yan. So, it means successful. How about PC2? Let's try it in PC2. Okay. Successful po yung ginawa natin. Proposed activity for the www.internal.com. Follow the instruction of the www.amas.edu and create a website regarding artificial intelligence. So, I have made my very simple website. I'll show you guys. It is my first time, so it is very simple. I use this apps to do this, and this is my website. Where is that? Oh, I closed my website. Let's open it again. Where is that? This one. This one is my website. See? It is my first time, so it is very simple. I watch tutorials in YouTube. Okay. So let's go back with our project. So we have to do another server and name it as www.internal.com. So this one. Web server www.internal.com here. Done. So the procedure is here is like the procedure on what we did here. So let's go back there. Okay, here. Configure the web server. So the gateway on the last server will be the same, but the IP address is different because we can have same IP addresses. So the gateway will be the same, but the IP address is different. I will just copy that, but we will change here. Here, paste. It will change into, we can try 50. Okay, and then set the HTTP and service and HTTP service on. Then we have to paste this. Welcome to AMA Online Education System. Then we put another new own statement. Okay. This one is on. This one is on. Am I right? Okay, and then edit. And then paste. The first statement that we made is like the future is in our hands. Okay, success is for those who doesn't quit. Save. Set the DHCP server service off. It's off already. Set the DNS off already. Set the DNS service and email SMTP and SMTP and POP3 service off. Off, off, off. Check the output of the web server on the end device web browser. Okay. Wait, let's copy first this one. Okay. 50. Oh, ayun. See? Welcome to AMA Online System. Success is for those who doesn't quit. See, from the 172.16.0.20, this is the first web browser that we did. Enter. Welcome to AMA Online Education System. The future is in our hands. So this is the second one. Success is for those who doesn't quit. So what we did is a success already. So the proposed activity for www.internal.com, follow the instruction in AMAS Edu. So I made a website. Yun nga yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Where is that? Yan. So I have learned that we can put the index HTML here, but we need to delete. Yes. We can put our, own website here. Okay. I'm going to import from the desktop. Maybe we put this one first. Yes. And then this one. Yes. Then you have to import this one. Yes. And then we have to import a photo. Yes. Okay. So we're done here. And then I have questions that I need to answer. And I have a copy here. Okay. So the question is, what are the HTTP, DNS, and DHCP? So my answer with that question, HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is a request process as it allows us calling a web page by typing a simple domain name. DNS is a domain name system, is an internet service that translates domain names into IP addresses. DHCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol for automatically assigning IP addresses and other configuration to devices when they connect to a network. What is the difference between the web design using HTML compared to Cisco Packet Tracer? My answer is HTML contains number of tags which is used to design front-end visible content of a web page, while in Cisco Packet Tracer, people create their own virtual network worlds. What can you conclude from this activity? I therefore conclude the Cisco Packet Tracer allow users to create network topologies and imitate modern computer network. So that's all, folks. Good morning and have a nice day. Thank you.